Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on changing the battery in the Tronic Solutions SL-Conga 3490. This process requires specific tools and careful attention to detail. Let's get started. First, gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a small brush for cleaning, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you also have a replacement battery compatible with your SL-Conga 3490. Begin by powering off the device and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial to ensure your safety during the battery replacement process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the SL-Conga 3490. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. There are typically 4 screws to remove. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing as you lift it away. With the back panel removed, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. Use your small brush to clean any buildup, as this can help improve the device's performance. Now, locate the battery. It is usually secured with clips. If you find it difficult to remove, use your tweezers to gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be mindful of any wires connected to the battery. Before installing the new battery, let's ensure everything is in order. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle it yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process seamless for you. Now, place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring that it fits snugly and the positive and negative terminals align correctly. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating that it's securely in place. After the battery is installed, reattach the back panel of the SL-Conga 3490. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tight but do not over-tighten, as this could crack the casing. With everything back in place, power on your device to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it doesn't power on, double-check the battery installation and connections. If you encounter any issues or prefer a professional touch, remember we offer no calls, no travel services for your convenience. You can get a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency in pricing. Once your SL-Conga 3490 is up and running, you can enjoy the enhanced performance with a new battery. Regular maintenance, including cleaning, can prolong the lifespan of your device and ensure optimal functionality. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on replacing the battery in your Tronic Solutions SL-Conga 3490. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.